Glory be to him in whose hands is the dominions of the heavens and the earth. And he, Allah, created death and life to test you, who's best in conduct. So the purpose of life is to be tested by Allah, and death to be tested by Allah. You, if you live long enough, will lose a loved one. Your mother, your father, your grandmother, your grandfather, your uncle, your husband, your wife, your children, all of you will be tested by death. After all, 50 million people a year. It's inevitable. So the real question is not to get angry, or the real point is not to get angry at Allah because Allah took your loved one. Recognize no soul can die except by the permission of Allah. It's already written in a book. I have nothing to do with that. We try our best to live the best life that we can live. Eat good food. Stay away from the haram. But even if you eat the most healthy of food, you exercise and you run and you jog and you do all of that, yet there's no guarantee that your life would be extended. We're here but by grace of Allah. And I want to thank Allah for every day that He has given to me. If Allah gave you 20 years, thank Him for that. Don't expect to get more than that. Don't expect to have another day. If you have the attitude that this is your last day, then the person who has the attitude and the knowledge it's their last day is different from a person who believes they'll be here for a long time. Make plans as if you will be here forever. Make plans to go to college. Make plans to study your career. But if Allah takes your life, or take the life of someone that you love, be careful that you don't say anything at the displeasure of Allah the Almighty.